This week, we are doing a special event surrounding creativity. So the idea is that we are taking all our second year students and we are having them working on ideas. We also want to have more responsible innovations, which is starting to be something really important. Past engineers have done a fantastic job at inventing new motors, for example, but that contributed to global warming. So for example, this is what we want our students to think about human factors, about the environment, about sustainability, to make sure that from now on, every decision they're gonna make can have these flavors of non-technical problems to solve, to make sure that they are contributing to the world in a more positive manner. University of Glasgow is, they want to be world changers. And the way you change the world in a good way is to think about all these kind of things. We are fully trusting the students to put a bit of themselves into the projects and to be able to develop an idea and really try to push what they believe in, what they want to do, and really develop their own skills that they never got to use before.
They're learning really the process of brainstorming ideas, assessing them for their feasibility and impact, which is exactly what we do at NASA or in any engineering job. I've seen some really creative ideas, beautiful artistry. They've developed so many ideas throughout the week. I don't know how many hundreds of sticky notes we've gone through.
I felt free to let my creativity run wild instead of like the normal things where we just go to lectures.
I'm doing mechanical with aeronautics, so that's a bit more space and aeroplanes, whereas something small to solve just a small everyday problem, you can just kind of go wild with it. You have to actually develop your own ideas.
Doing an engineering degree doesn't mean you have to be stuck in one discipline. So our one is a medical device. Then you'd expect that to be designed by a biomed engineer.
We had none on our team.
Exactly, go on.
We were just mech, electrical and aero, so it was quite different what we used to.
Like discipline-wise, like doing an engineering degree is very versatile.
Whenever I interact with students, what you give, you always get something back. And it helps me to reflect on the brainstorming process and the creative process that we need to apply in my work. You have confidence in the next generation when you do this kind of thing, and you see how intelligent they are and how motivated they are.
This is really important because it shows you how you can kind of use what you're already learning from uni, the technical skills you're learning, and you can also like boost your soft skills because you're practicing communication, practicing presentation, practicing teamwork, and like really knowing yourself in that kind of setting, and it can set you up really well for your future career. So yeah, it's really important. And I hope it keeps going for like at least like 5 more years because it's really good.